All right, so surface area. So we're going to talk about surface area, which is basically, well, not basically, but it is the area of all the surfaces. Okay, so if we're talking rectangular prism, if we're talking, we're going to talk cylinders, if we're talking about any prism, okay, basically we are taking the area of every single side and adding it together. Okay, but we have a little bit of a shortcut to that. And this is how we are doing it. I don't like this formula. The formula that I use is, and this works for all of them, is your surface area is going to equal the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. And we've got to go 2 times the area of the base because how many bases do we have? Well, how many? No, 2. That's why we multiply it by 2, because there's 2 bases. And remember, your bases are always congruent and parallel. Okay? So is a rectangular prism or a cube? It's a little bit more self-explanatory. Which one would you like to use as a base? Which side? Remember, we talked about with a rectangular prism, we can use top, bottom, front, back, side, side. Let's use the bottom. Okay? So if I'm using the bottom, okay, what is the perimeter of the bottom? How do I find perimeter? Add up all the sides. So if this is 7, what's this? 7. If this is 13, what's this? 13. So remember, we're just talking about the base. So we're talking about this rectangle on the bottom. That's 7, 7, 13, and 13. 40. Okay, so the perimeter of that base is 40 times, what's my height? Now remember, your height is the distance between your 2 bases. My height is 9. Okay, plus 2 times, now remember, this is my base. What's the area of this base? 91. How did you find that? Some people are looking at me going, I don't remember how to find the area of a rectangle. Base times height. All right. So 40 times 9? 360. Plus, what's 2 times 91? 182. 182. Now we add those together. We have 542, and how are we going to label this? Square. We're still just talking about area. Still just talking about surface area. Next week when we get into volume, that's when we'll talk cube. Okay, so if I'm looking at number 2, what would you like to use as your base? Top or bottom, doesn't matter. Okay, so if I'm using this guy, this is 10. What's this side right here? I'm using the bottom. 5, which means this is 10 and this is 5. So the perimeter of my base is 30 times, what's my height? 16 plus 2 times, what's my area of that base? 50. Jackson, you paid attention? You still have to keep up with this stuff. Yeah. All right. So 30 times 16? 40. 480 plus 100. So make sure that you do these two separate. okay? Because you've got to multiply before you can add. So you've got to do these two parts separate before you add them together. You get 580 centimeters squared. Okay? Rectangular prisms are pretty self-explanatory, right? They get a little bit different when you've got other shapes as your bases. Okay? So if I'm looking at number 4, first of all, what is my base? What shape? It's a triangle. My top and my bottom is my base right now because those are the ones that are parallel and congruent. So right now my base is that triangle. This side is 15. What's this? 12. And what's this side? 9. Okay. So what's the perimeter of my base? 36. Okay, we had to add up those 3 sides this time. Okay. How am I finding? So now I have this triangle, right triangle, 9, 12, and 15. How am I finding the? Well, first of all, what's my height? Sorry, 16. All right, plus 2 times. How am I going to find the area of that base? What am I multiplying together? There you go, 9 times 12 divided by 2, because the base of my triangle is 9, the height of my triangle is 12. What do we get when we do that? 54? Okay, is that what you guys got? Okay. All right, so 36 times 16. Plus 108. Okay, guys, Sam, slow down a little bit. People are trying to do this a little bit on their calculator. I know you're a step ahead of us, but you're supposed to be. Slow down a little bit. No, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just telling you to give people some thinking time. Okay. All right. Look at number 5. Okay. What is my base? Guys, you need to pay attention. What is my base in number 5? What shape? It's the triangles again. Remember, they have to be congruent and parallel. So in this case, once again, my base is the front and the back. So if I draw my front, this is 5, this is 12, what's this? 10, and the height of this triangle is 4.1. That's just of my base. Okay? So the perimeter of this is what? 27. Good. 27 times. Now look at that. Okay, remember, your height is the distance between the 2 bases. What is my height? How much? 3. Good. You're using your 3 in that case. Plus 2 times. Now when I'm finding the area of my base, what 2 numbers am I using? 12 and 4.1 is your height. It has to make that 90-degree angle in order to be the height of your base. So 12 times 4.1 divided by 2. Bless you. Okay, 27 times 3. 81 plus 49.2. Did I get that right? we get 130.2 kilometers squared. Okay, so far so good. Okay, always the same formula. When we flip to cylinders, same formula. Okay, we're taking perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. That's what this is saying. Okay, because we have to remember, how do I, now my bases are circles, how do I find the perimeter of a circle? It's the same as circumference. So that formula is, no, sure. How do I find circumference of a circle? Not 2 pi r squared. Just, guys, this is something you have to know. This is something you've been doing year after year after year. Circles are going to be all over the ACT. You have to know circumference and area of a circle. How do I find circumference? 2 pi r. So that's where they were getting the 2 pi r. So 2 pi r times the height plus 2 times, how do I find the area of a circle? Come on, guys, you got to know these circles right off the top of your head. Pi r squared. Okay, guys, that's going to be huge for you come ACT time. I know that some of you are looking ahead towards that. Circles, circumference, and area of a circle have to be able, you got to be able to rattle those off pretty quick. Okay, you use those a lot, okay, in the coming years with stuff that you're going to be doing. Okay, number 9, the perimeter of my circle. What do I do with my radius? No, perimeter of your circle. What do you do with your radius? Times it by 2. What do you get? So 22 pi times, what's my height? 26 plus 2 times the area of my circle. What do I do with my radius? Square it. So when I square 11, I get 121 pi. And now remember, we're leaving these in terms of pi, so we're not going to actually multiply by pi. So 22 times 26. 5 what? So 572 pi plus 2 times 121. 242 pi. Now add your coefficients. We get 714. No. 814. Really? Yeah. Okay. Pi. Yard square. Okay, so look at 10. What's my radius in 10? 7.5. Be careful with that. Okay, sometimes they'll give you the diameter, sometimes they'll give you the radius. So circumference or perimeter of my base. What do I have to do with my radius? Okay, so what am I doing with my radius, guys? Timesing by 2. So 15 pi times, what's my height? 9 plus 2 times, what am I squaring? 7.5. What do I get? 56 point what? 255. So help me out. 15 times 9? One what? 135 pi plus 112.5 pi. And I get 247.5 pi meters squared. Okay, so I will tell you this, you will